Imagine slashing your cooking time in half, serving a mouth-watering family feast in just 15 minutes, and cleaning up with a single dishwasher load. Sounds like a dream, right? Enter this Ninja Combi All-in-One Multicooker, Oven and Air Fryer, SFP701, a kitchen game-changer that's redefining how we cook. This isn't just another appliance, it's your new culinary sidekick, blending 14 functions into one sleek stainless steel powerhouse. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a foodie craving restaurant-quality results at home, this multi-cooker delivers. Let's dive into why the Ninja Combi is the must-have kitchen tool and how it solves everyday cooking woes with effortless flair. The problem: kitchen chaos. Meets time crunch. Cooking for a family or hosting a dinner party often feels like juggling flaming torches. You're stuck coordinating multiple pots, pans, and appliances, racing against the clock to get everything on the table while keeping flavors on point. Traditional ovens are slow, air fryers are limited, and stovetops demand constant attention. Add in the cleanup nightmare of greasy dishes, and it's no wonder many of us dread the kitchen grind. The Ninja Combi All-in-One Multicooker tackles these pain points head-on, streamlining your cooking process and freeing up your time for what matters most: enjoying your meal and your company. Why the Ninja Combi stands out. After testing the Ninja Combi in a bustling household, I can confirm it's more than just hype. This 14-in-1 wonder combines the best of a multi-cooker, oven, and air fryer, making it a one-stop shop for every cooking need. Its Ninja Combi cooker technology, blending HyperSteam and Air Fry, ensures every dish is juicy inside and crispy outside. Think tender roast chicken with golden, crackling skin, or perfectly al dente pasta with a crispy topping, all cooked simultaneously. Here's a closer look at what makes this appliance a kitchen MVP. Lightning-fast meals. Cook complete meals, protein, veggies, and carbs, in just 15 minutes, 50% faster than a traditional oven. I whipped up a taco spread with seasoned beef, rice, and beans in under 20 minutes, and the flavors were spot on. 14-in-1 versatility. With functions like Combi Meals, Combi Crisp, Combi Bake, Air Fry, Slow Cook, Sous Vide, and more, you can sear, saute, steam, bake, broil, or proofbread without switching appliances. It's like having a professional kitchen in one compact unit. Family size capacity. Feeds up to 8 people, fitting a 6-pound roast chicken, 1.5 boxes of pasta, or a 10-inch pizza. Perfect for large families or entertaining guests. Frozen to table magic. No defrosting needed. The HyperSteam tech thaws and cooks frozen ingredients in under 30 minutes, saving you from last-minute meal stress. Effortless cleanup. The Combi cooker pan doubles as a serving dish, and all accessories, bake tray, crisper tray, are dishwasher-safe. I spent less time scrubbing and more time relaxing post-dinner. Space-saving design replaces multiple appliances, decluttering your countertop. Its sleek stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Real-world testing. A week with the Ninja Combi. To put the Ninja Combi through its paces, I used it for a week to cook everything from weeknight dinners to a Sunday roast. The results? Jaw-dropping. On Monday, I made a combi meal of salmon, broccoli, and rice. The salmon was flaky and moist, the broccoli tender crisp, and the rice fluffy, all done in 15 minutes without boiling a single pot. Midweek, I baked a batch of chocolate chip cookies using the bake function, and they rivaled my oven's output with a perfectly chewy center and crisp edges. The air fry mode delivered golden, crunchy fries that had my kids begging for seconds. Even the sous vide function impressed, producing a melt-in-your-mouth steak that felt straight out of a 5-star restaurant. Who's it for? The Ninja Combi is a dream for busy families, craving quick, wholesome meals without the hassle. Small space dwellers, apartment kitchens with no oven, this is your solution. health-conscious cooks, steam and air fry for lighter, flavorful dishes, entertainers, impress guests with multi-course meals in record time, gadget lovers, tech-savvy cooks who want the latest in kitchen innovation. Why you need the Ninja Combi now. The Ninja Combi isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves time, reduces stress, and unlocks culinary creativity, all while delivering restaurant-quality results. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, this 14-in-1 marvel ensures every meal is a win. Don't let kitchen chaos hold you back. Join the thousands of home cooks raving about the Combi way. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.